Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna give a review on this Amazon product that I bought. This is a mini rice cooker, 2 cups uncooked, and it's like a travel rice cooker too. It's too small, good for 1 to 2 people. You know, I like to travel, so I wonder, if I can take it with me and still have my rice. So it comes with this one here. I can have my rice and add anything else in there. And this is a non-stick pot. Comes with spoon to scoop the rice, and the steaming tray which I put my canned good or vegetables or anything that I can steam on top of the rice. Not only rice, I can also cook soups and heat up leftover foods from the restaurants from the previous night, or maybe boiled egg, because nowadays in hotels they don't provide microwave, so this is good. This detachable cord also makes it easy to take, and then everything fits in, while I'm done washing it. Just wipe it off and easy. I have room for this in my luggage. So overall, I like this product. This is only weighing 3 pounds, really small, and it gets 4.5 out of 5 on Amazon review. I have another sample of rice that I cook at home, and here it is. Perfect. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.